Hello viewers, welcome to Saleh Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do subtraction of values in Microsoft Excel. There is no predefined function in Excel using which we can do the subtraction of values. But by using minus sign, we can easily subtract one value from another value. So let's have a look into. As you can see here, I have a table of income and expense for the month of January, February, March, April and May. Here my requirement is to obtain balance amount in this cell by subtracting this expense amount from the income amount for the month of January and similarly for the rest of the months. As we have learned in the past video that all the formulas in the Microsoft Excel starts with equal to sign, so I am writing down equal to sign here. Now select the first value, put minus sign and then select the second value and press enter. You can see that the difference of these two values is displayed here. Now for the rest of the months, use the autofill feature of the Excel. That is, select the upper cell and then double click on the bottom right corner of the cell. Thank you for watching.